In today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly how I made multi-six figures with meme coins and how you can do the same. I'm also going to tell you what I avoid, what I take into consideration, how I identify runners, and how we print in top 1%, and how I stay printing even though it's not prime bull market. Do you understand? Now, the mistake most people make with meme coins is they keep gambling. They look at a 50k market cap shitcoin, they're like, oh, this is gonna do me a 10x, 20x. They buy it, they get rugged. They buy another one, they get rugged. And they end up grinding their portfolio to zero. This is a big mistake. Now boys, the number one thing that changed the game for me was setting sell limits. Whether it's on Axiom, whether it's on Trojan, on Telegram, you need to set sell limits. Let's say you buy a coin at 1M market cap. Your target is 3 to 5M. Let's say it hits that target overnight, but then once it hits it, it rugs. During the night, when you're sleeping, if you had a sell limit for 3M, then for 4M, then for 5M, 20% at a time, you would have made your profit, you would have kept your profit. That's why sell limits are very important. If you're sleeping, or even if you're out and about, you're not gonna be on the charts all day, are you? Once the sell limits hit, you're happy, you can move on to the next coin. Even if it's a 2x, if you take your initials at a 2x, it can do it for you. There's robots for this, they sell for you. Sell limits, make the most out of sell limits. Number 2, boys, don't top blast. A mistake people make is they see a green dildo, a massive green candle, and they're like, oh, let me buy it up, let me buy it, it's gonna go higher. No, every single coin ends up dipping one way or another. You're going to find entry. Don't rush it. If you rush it, you end up losing. You're gonna end up panic selling. You're gonna end up buying the top blasting, see a massive candle, like, let me buy now. Get excited, then you'll lose. Do you understand? You end up selling, you end up fucking your trade up because you're not disciplined. You haven't got a clear strategy, you don't wait for dips. You don't DCA down. This isn't prime 2024 bull run. You need to play things more differently. DCA in, DCA out, bit by bit. That's why I don't like making targets for meme coins. You can make a target, but the best possible scenario is to slowly sell, slowly DCA out, 10% at a time, 5% at a time. Do you understand? With sell limits like we already mentioned. That is the best way to make money in this market. Sell slowly, buy in slowly. Boys, don't gamble on meme coins. Don't gamble in real life. Don't sports bet. Don't go to the casino. Don't gamble on meme coins. Gambling is minus EV. You're NGMI if you gamble. Get the mindset of gambling out of your head. If you're in this game, you're in it to make money, not to gamble. You're in this game to grow your portfolio, to make size swings. Stop aping 20 to 100k shitters. Stop it. All you're doing is gambling. You have no info on team. You have no info on supply control. The narrative's shit. It's run by fucking broke retards. The team is shit. Do you understand? And you're there hoping it's gonna 20x. It's very unlikely. And even if it does, you're probably gonna round trip. It's not worth aping these low caps. Stay away from low caps. Stay away from coins that are below 2 to 300k. I don't touch a coin under 1M market cap unless there's alpha on the coin, unless it's gonna have a push soon, or unless the team is solid, or unless I get info that this is gonna send by a solid quant. A 3x with size always beats a 10x on a gamble, or a 20x on a gamble with low size. You might get lucky with a little 100x on low size, but that's rarely gonna happen. You need to change your strategy. You need to ape conviction plays. Do you understand? If you're aping coins at 10k, that means you're NGMI. Boys, number 4, your network is genuinely everything. This game is mostly about network, relationships. Do you understand? The person with the most alpha wins. Who has alpha on supply control? Who has alpha on which team is running what coin? Who has alpha on a potential viral play that will catch a lot of attention? Do you understand? I'm in a few FNFs, the main one being Lair and my private crypto group, top 1%. We have alpha in there, and the information in there isn't in many places. That's why we are able to print. We have access to quants. They give us the alpha, I give the alpha. Do you understand? And people end up printing. I'm gonna show you examples of how we print. I'm gonna give you exactly what thesis we have, how many licks we've hit, what X's we do, the conviction I and the people inside the group have. Do you understand? Teams always beat the narrative. There can be a 10 out of 10 banging narrative on Pump Fun. It's viral, the narrative's solid, you can see it go into a mill, but then it fucking rugs. Doesn't matter about the fucking narrative. Narrative is not important. if the team isn't there. Do you understand? A 15-year-old fucking rat from India can launch any coin with a good narrative and it can rug. It obviously will rug. So the narrative is not important. In these groups, when these trenching NGMI rats say the narrative's really good, I aped here, then it rugs. The team isn't competent. Only bid competent teams. Shit team equals shit price action. No MMs, no volume bots, no cash to inject in the coin. Do you understand? All that matters is the cabal, the team. Are they rich or are they broke? Have they got the right systems in place? Have they got the network? Have they got the connections? Have they got the partnerships? Have they got the experience, bruv? Are they poor or rich? That's what you need to take into consideration. Boys, number 6, start small. If you're a beginner, don't full port all your fucking crypto into one coin like a retard, especially sub 100k shitters. Don't put all your money into a fucking shitter, you will get rugged. The issue isn't sizing in everything you have into shitters. The issue is not sizing in enough into main runners, into official calls. That's the issue. You're putting all your size into shitters. That's why you're poor and that's why you can't make it. That's why most of these people give up. When you don't give up, when you master the game, you'll end up printing cash. Even when the market isn't primed, you'll still make cash. That is the art of crypto and that's why I fucking love it. We still print in top 1% and we'll continue to print. Do you understand? Now boys, for an example of an official call in top 1%, I'm going to show you guys my conviction on Avicii. We caught a VG 7M market cap, a solid quant, gave it to me in top 1%. He gave me a VG before launch. Now, a VG, one of my all-time best on-chain licks. Study this conviction. Find entry on this, boys. It's going higher. Official call, 7M. New all-time high, 10M. 12M, ripping. A VG 15M, a VG 14M. I literally told everyone to fucking find entry to buy it. A VG let's go, 20M, 25M, easy as. A VG most likely will hit 50 to 100M when it was at 30M. Do you understand? I gave more thesis. Revolut was flooding a VG because it's their competitor. Do you understand? A VG, the thesis was that you can spend on its card and it was super bullish. Revolut are blocking anyone who bull posts a VG, scared of competition for real. So bullish. Full send a VG. Have we accumulated enough a VG?
On the crypto ecosystem, with mortgages, with loans, with accounts, with business accounts, with personal accounts, like Red.Pay, but better, like Cast, but way more advanced. And it's only $2. I see this at $10 within a few months, easily. So this is a long-term hold, it's a size play for me, and I want it to be bigger than Asta. Do you understand?
So, study conviction, study thesis. What's the reason for buying? Study sizing in. Do you understand? So, kept going up. Do you understand? Then it hit 45M, a target of ours. Do you understand? We was up fat, bruv. Then it ended up going to 56M and then ultimately 62M, like we said in the official calls. Do you understand? This is next level shit. This group should be worth £20,000. I literally force you to buy and it ends up smashing through every target, getting a 10x with size, 20k to 200k, 10k to 100k. Stop gambling, start believing, start sizing in. Start sizing all your fucking net worth into a coin. I full ported my whole crypto port into Asta and it fucking paid off. Do you understand? You need to have big balls, but only big balls in the conviction plays, in the solid crypto coins that you just know are gonna do well. You have the alpha on. Do you understand? Study this official call. We caught Verse at 300M. It ended up going to 1.1 billion. You can 8 big into this one once there's a dip. Team is top tier. Epic Games partnership and Pump Fund supports them. No brainer trade. Anything under 300M, slam it down. Slam it down. You know what that means? Slap your size in. Do you understand? Get a 3x with size. 15k to 45k, 20k to 60k. Another fucking printer with conviction. This is exactly what I mean. Been doing this for 3 years. Do you understand? You need to understand the power of conviction. You can only make money in this market with conviction, not gambling. Do you understand? So, study Mixi. I made probably a bit more than 50k on this coin. I said, find entry, hearing very good things about this one here, boys. Wait for a dip though. Mid to long term hold. 7M average, first 5k DCA. That's when I put my 5k in at 7M. I was gonna buy more and I did buy more. And then, teams working hard. A lot of announcements soon. DCA paying off big time. Just bought more at 6.5M. Chart looking very good. Next leg soon. What ended up happening? Mixi ended up printing me more than $50,000 because I had conviction and I sized in. I was even in the Mixi Wales chat and I was updating top 1% every single move that was happening. It hit 50M. Another 10x with fucking size. Do you understand? In our P&L section of the group, a 12x with size and pure conviction. Study our conviction on Memecoin. We ended up printing another fucking bag. Over 100k, I woke up one summer morning. We all aped that 3M, we sized in. And look at the thesis. Don't want to give absurd targets, but I won't sell until 50M. Average 3.9M entry for me. Started blasting over 100k in Memecoin. I'm going to show you the screenshots so you know I'm not a fucking LARP. And hopefully you guys come and join us in top 1%. We stay printing even when market conditions aren't too good. We still print. I know what I'm talking about. And if you want to do the same and get intel on what we buy, what our quants shill, then join top 1%. The link to top 1% is in the description of this video. Boys, to see more licks like this, the thesis behind it, what we buy, when we buy, more results, more testimonials, join my free Telegram channel. I also cool coins in there, my leverage setups, what we buy on chain. It's in the description of this video. So join the free channel. I put daily wisdom in there. It's a no-brainer, so join it. Do you understand? Anyway, let's get back to what makes you a good Memecoin trader and what to avoid and what to look out for. Don't rush the market. If you have Solana or a bunch of USDC sitting in your wallet, don't rush. You don't need to buy a coin. You don't have to buy something just because of the sake of it. If the market's shit, you can just sit there. A lot of people make the mistake of rushing it. They need to buy something. They consistently and constantly need to be in a position. They can't stand still, sit still without being in a meme coin. And that's what's keeping them behind. You don't want to have it where a solid play comes your way, yet you have no Solana to buy it with. You just missed out on generational wealth because you had no Solana, because you wasted it all gambling. There's always alpha, there's always an opportunity. Be patient. Do you understand? Another thing, boys, you need to manage your risk. Risk management is the most important thing in meme coins and in leverage trading. Without risk management, you'll slowly grind your port to zero. Don't full port, don't put all of your net worth into the coin unless it's a giga generational play and you have balls. Most of the time it won't work out for you. Do you understand? Especially when the market's not hot. When the market's hot, you can perhaps get away with doing these things, but when the market's not hot, don't full port. Don't put all your crypto port into a fucking meme coin. Do you understand? 10% max. You should be able to lose on 5 to 6 coins without breaking a sweat. You'll make it back on the 7th one. That's why risk management is important. Because you can afford to lose 9 times, and on the 10th one, you can make it all back. That's the art of crypto. I also have a whole section explaining this in top 1%. It's called resources. We go over all risk management strategies and what to avoid, what to look out for. Do you understand? Boys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I tried to make this as long and as detailed as possible. I want to make more videos like this. Join my free Telegram channel for calls, for daily wisdom, for risk management, for what I do in my day-to-day life, and how to print with us. Do you understand? It's free, so join it. The link to top 1% is also in the description of this video. If you click the link, it takes you to a chat with me on Telegram. Hopefully you guys will make money in the meme coin market, stop gambling, and I hope you guys have learned some tips to stay profitable in this market, in the meme coin market, and how to maximize profits in the future. Do you understand?